Welcome back to another video. I am going to show you just a quick transition, roto transition that I do pretty much in every edit that I do, and is something really easy and super stylish. So on my timeline, I've got two clips with just a straight cut in the middle. There's no effects on any of this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the second clip, which is Lil Baby. I'm going to press Ctrl D to duplicate it. I'm going to go 3 frames to the right, so 1, 2, 3. I'm going to press Ctrl Shift D to cut my video and delete the extra stuff. And I'm going to right click on my video that I just cropped. I'm going to go to time and freeze frame it. And then I'm going to go 3 frames to the left, so it should be a total of 6 frames. And what we've done is basically just added a freeze frame on the video. Nothing too drastic. And I'm going to roto out just Lil Baby really quick. So double click on this clip and press Alt W, or the little paintbrush that the guy walking in. Okay, so once you get a roto that you like, you're just going to go ahead and go down here and press freeze to lock roto in. And like I said, this is going to be a quick transition. So, you don't need the most perfect roto. It's literally going to last 6 frames, which is the quickest thing. Now you're going to go back to your composition layer. Now he cuts in, just like that. And basically what I'm just going to make Lil Baby do is just bounce in from this one into his position here. So you're going to go to the middle frame, which would be where both of the videos meet right here. Press scale and position on your keyboard. And then press U on your keyboard to bring up both of those keyframes. So we're going to press the position and scale right in the middle where these both meet. Then we're going to go 3 frames to the right, toggle both keyframes, and go back to the middle where you made the first keyframes. And you can just turn up the scale. So if it's at 100 right now, you would make it around like 200 or like 180, like that. And then for the position, you can just click and drag him right in front of the one that is obviously on the original video only if it's necessary. So then you're going to go 3 frames to the left where there is no keyframes. And you're just going to change the scale to 0. And then select all your keyframes. Press F9 on your keyboard to easy ease them. And then right here on your video clip, you want to go down on the little 3 circles, which says motion blur. And you want to turn that on right here. And basically that's going to give you this little bounce in. So again, I'm trying to keep these videos super short, so they're nice and easy to run through. If you feel like I went over anything too fast, feel free to go back and rewatch the video or play it at a slower speed. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.